Yes, note down everyone. Divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it satisfies if it satisfies a number is divisible by 6 if it satisfies the divisibility rule of divisibility rule of 2 and 3 both. A number is divisible by 6 if it satisfies the divisibility rule of 2 and 3 both. Example, already I explained these examples yesterday only. Note down first example, 240. I want to check 240 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes. Why? Because once a place a digit is 0. If once a place a digit is 0, then I can say this number is divisible by 2. Next, again I want to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. Yes. 2 plus 4 plus 0, 6. 6 is coming 3 table. Then I can say this number is divisible by 6. 240 is divisible by 2. Next, first condition, okay. Second condition, 2 plus 4 plus 0, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Then also we can say 240 is also divisible by 3. Hence, hence Hence, 240 is divisible by 6. Hence, 240 is divisible by 6. Next, second example. Example 2. 48,421. Firstly, I want to check this digit is divisible by 2 or not. No. Why no? Because 1 is present in one's place. Then if this number is not divisible by 2, then directly we can say this number is not divisible by 6. No need to check divisible by 3. Third example. Yeah. 48,810. I want to check this digit is divisible by 6 or not. Firstly, I want to check divisible by 2 or not. Yes. 0 is present in one's place, divisible by 2. After that, I want to check this digit is divisible by 3 or not. Then how to check? 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0. 4 plus 8, what will come? 12 plus 8, 20 plus 1, 21 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7 are 21. Then I can say this digit is also divisible by 3. Then I can say hence 48,810 is divisible by 6. Yeah. Now very interesting concept I am going to explain. Divisibility rule of 7. Keep fading everyone. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Right. I am taking one example, students. 672. Concentrate here, don't write. 672. I want to check this number is divisible by 7 or not. My first step, I want to take double of one's place. Double of one's place. One's place a digit is 2. Double of this digit, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. I have taken double of, I have taken double of one's place. 2 into 2, 4 has come. Except one's place, digit is 67. 67 minus double of one's place. 67 minus 67 minus 4 is equal to 63. Now I want to check 63 will come in 7 table. Yes. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Result is coming whole number. Then I can say yes, 672 is divisible by 7. Are you getting my point, students? Again, listen carefully. Whatever digit they have given, firstly, I want to take double of one's place, double of unit digit. Whatever answer will come, except unit place, whatever digit is there, that digit minus double of one's place. Then I can say then I can say that number is divisible by 7. Tell me, Nimira.
Sir, I can't see the screen at all, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
students, are you
I'll
able to
try
see
to
my screen?
rejoin, sir. Shall I rejoin again, sir?
Yeah. Yes, students, I have taken first example. Again, I am going to take second example. Concentrate, everyone. Don't write anything. Concentrate firstly. Right. One more example I am taking, students. I am taking one more example. 354. I want to check this digit is divisible by 7 or not. How to check? Double of one's place. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. After taking double of unit digit, whatever remaining digit is there, remaining digit is 35. 35 minus double of unit place, 8. 35 minus 8, what will come? 27. 27 will become in 7 table. 27 will come 7 table. No, don't say yes. 7 for the 28. Digit is 27. Not divisible by 7. Note down concept, everyone. Double the last digit. Double the last digit. Double the last digit and subtract 8 and subtract 8. Double the last digit and subtract 8 from a number, from a number, from a number made by the other digits, from a number made by the other digits, made by the other digits. The result must be divisible by 7. The result must be the result must be divisible by the result must be divisible by 7. Example, first example, First example, 672. What is our first step? Double the last digit. Last digit is what? 2. Double of that digit. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. After doubling to the last digit, I want to check remaining digit. Remaining digit is 67. 67 minus double of the last digit is equal to 63. Now 63 I want to check is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, 9. Then I can say 672 is divisible by 7. Hence 672 is divisible by 7. Next, example 2. Second example, 1505. 1505. Example second, 1505. Now I want to check this digit is divisible by 7 or not. What is first step? Double the last digit. Last digit is here 5. Double of 5. Double of 5 will come what? 5 into 2, 10. After doubling to the last digit, remaining digit is 150. 150 minus last digit 140. Now 140 I want to check divisible by 7 or not. 140 divided by 7 is equal to 20. 7 2s are 14 and 0. Yes, we can say 1505 is divisible by 7. Hence 1505 is divisible by 7. Are you enjoying the class, student? Very good. Can I give one more example, sir? Can I go other? You want one more example or you want to go other? Okay, no problem. Keep heading. Divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 A number is divisible by 8 a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by if the number if the number formed by if the number formed by last three digits number formed by last three digits last three digits of the number last three digits of the number is divisible by 8 is divisible by 8. Example, first example, 7128. If any digit they have given, I want to check the given digit is divisible by 8 or not. Then on that time, I want to check last three digit. Last three digit is what? 128. I want to check 128 is divisible by 8 or not. I want to divide 128 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. How many remaining? 4. 8 6 are 48. Yes. Now result is coming whole number. Then I can say 7128 is divisible by 8. Students always keep in mind if any digit they have given, I want to check the given number is divisible by 8 or not. I want to check last three digit. But you have learned previously divisibility rule of 4. You are checking last two digit. But divisibility rule of 8, last three digit. Only this difference is there. Example second. Example second. 8100. I want to check this digit is divisible by 8 or not. Last three digit is what? 100. I want to divide 100 divided by 8. Result will come whole number. Result will not come whole number. Then this number is not divisible by 8. Next keep heading. Divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. Listen students, previously we learned about divisibility rule of 3. How to check the given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. When I want to learn divisibility rule of 9, concept is same, but that number will be divisible by 9. Listen carefully, both, both concepts are same. If I want to say which number is divisible by 9 or not, I want to add all digit, that number will come in 9 table, then we can say the given number is divisible by 9. But previously we learned the sum of all digit is divisible by 3, then we can say divisibility rule of 3. But in the case of 9, sum of all digit will be divisible by 9, not 3. Concept are same. Here divisible by 9, that case divisible by 3. Note down. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 a number is divisible by 9 a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit if the sum of its digits if the sum of its digits is also a multiple of 9. Example, I want to check 25,810 is divisible by 9 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit. I want to add all digit. All digit he has given 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 will come in 9 table. Not divisible by 9. Second example. Second example. 3465.